Hello guys, welcome back to short class on Revit architecture. I am Praveen, CAD design engineer from Globtech Engineering Solutions, Rajarajeshwari Nagar, Bangalore. Today I am going to explain you how to create a roof as an extrusion. Okay, for creating the roof by extrusion, you have to go to level 2 in the floor plan and here architecture tab. Here roof is there, just drop down it. There is a second option, roof by extrusion. Click that one. Here pick a plane, yeah, okay. You can choose any one wall or any plane. Okay, I choose on that one. If you want elevation north or south, you can choose any one and open view. You can just okay here. You can see elevations we will arrive. After you can using drawing tool, you can draw the profile as you need. Okay, I am drawing. I am taking one circle. So okay, I'm drawing like this. Some arc shape I'm drawing. Okay, you can see. If you want another shape means you can draw, that's not a problem. Okay. After drawing, just finish edit mode. Okay. You can see thickness will be came here. For editing any thickness and all, select that one, edit type, just duplicate that one and just putting R here. Okay, just edit thickness how much you want, provide in thickness under 6 inch I'm providing, and if you want any material you can give. So, so I'm choosing one material here. Yeah. Okay, or else here I am choosing the roof. Okay, and just here. Okay. You can see thickness is arrived. For viewing this, go to 3D view. Here 3D, you can see correctly. The roof is created like this. Okay, if you want any changes means in width, you can do just using this arrow mark. You can drag the side length of the roof. Okay, like this. On that you can see the roof is created, but you want to attach the walls into their roof area, otherwise it will be looking like this. Whole area it will be shown. For that one, select the wall tab, the entire wall will be selecting, then attach top face. Here option is there, attach wall, that's the only top only. So choose the roof edge. Okay, just escape. You can see now it will be attaching. Okay, which design you want, you can draw the design and save that profile as a roof. Okay, this is the process of creating the roof by extrusion. Thank you for watching.